Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy crock pot pulled pork. Now, we're just going to make this simple so that once we have all of the meat, we can divvy it out and do whatever we want with it. We can make carnitas, we can top tacos with it, we can make barbecue pulled pork sandwiches. The possibilities are endless, so let's get started. The ingredients you're going to need for this are pork butt roast or pork shoulder roast. They're technically different, but they will work the same. Black pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, cayenne, oregano, and if you want to keep cleanup easy, some crock pot liners. So I'm going to start by lining my crock pot with a liner. That just makes my life so much easier when this recipe is done. All right, let's get our pork out, seasoned, and put into the crock pot. Now I am using bone-in pork butt. You can use boneless, it's a little easier, but this will be so tender by the end that it will just fall right off the bone. We're going to season our pork with a generous amount of salt, black pepper, paprika, onion powder, and mine has kind of clumped because it got some moisture in it, but it's still fine to use. Garlic powder, oregano, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. And now we're just going to cover it and cook it on high for 4 hours. All right, it has been 4 hours since we added our pork shoulder or pork butt to our crock pot. So now I'm going to attempt to flip it over. All right, we're gonna attempt to pick this up with some tongs. A little tricky since it's sticking to my liner. There we go. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper on this side, along with some salt. And paprika. I'm also going to add in some Worcestershire sauce just to the bottom because it's just going to give it a really good kind of umami flavor, and I just love Worcestershire sauce. So I'll put a little on top too to mix in with our spices. All right, we're gonna cover it for another 4 hours and then it should be ready to go. Alrighty, it has been 4 more hours. So we're gonna go ahead and turn our crock pot off and open the lid here. I can see the juices bubbling away. Oh my gosh, it smells fantastic in here. I just want to show you this. There's the bone. Look, it is literally peeling just right out. Look at that. There's nothing left on it. It is so tender and juicy. All right, we're going to just dish this out. See how flaky it is? We're going to dish it out onto a larger platter. I just cannot believe how tender this is. I mean, it is literally just shredding as I pull it out. So I'm going to let this cool for a little bit before I package it up and put it in the refrigerator. So I'm going to kind of just spread it out as much as I can on my platter here just to let it air out and cool down. And that's done. Look at how much delicious meat we got. I'm gonna package this up and put some in the refrigerator for this week's meals, and then I'll just freeze the rest because this will freeze very, very well. I also got about 1.5 jars of really flavorful pork stock that I can use for soups or anything else during the week. So I am thrilled with this recipe. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.